Hi, I'm Sam Evans. I study level 3 sport at East Sussex College, Lewes. The thing that attracted me about this course was all the different aspects of sport that you could study. So we learn everything about the body, from massage to the cardiovascular system, and then the likes of personal training, coaching, same with like massage, and then all my teachers and tutors, they're all welcome to talk to you. So outside of sessions we can go to their office, which is always open, and they just have loads of information to give you, which really helped me into this course. Yeah. Outside of the classroom we've got opportunities to learn at Wave Leisure. They offer lifeguarding and also work experience there as well, so if you want to do anything to do with coaching or any swimming teaching as well, that's a really good place to go, and it's literally just 2 minutes down the road, so that helps. We've been going on loads of trips recently, so we've had whitewater rafting, and that obviously gets an insight into the different activities that we can have outside the course. For anyone, it builds our interests if we want to go to a different sport that we've never done before. We're going on a trip to Barcelona, and that offers a trip, so if you want to do sporting abroad and go to different bigger clubs and have tours around there. We did a MPLQ lifeguarding course at the start of this year, so that offers a wide range of like experience from outside of college. So we did that at Wave Leisure for a week. We get the MPLQ qualification for 2 years, and personally that's helped me have a place in Camp America for the upcoming summer. So that's helped me get work outside of the UK and in different countries. That was very beneficial because that also came with a first aid course as well. So we then became first aid qualified for that, which really helped a lot of students.